It's a 2005 Toyota Sienna. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating for 7, 148.9 cubic feet of maximum cargo space, and a multi-speaker sound system with a CD player. It also has front and rear air conditioning, a 3.3-liter 230 horsepower V6 engine, 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, and 4-wheel anti-lock brakes.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. Leave the scraper in the car thanks to the heated mirrors. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is.
From the convenience and usefulness of its spacious interior to its long list of safety equipment, this Sienna is an outstanding choice. Come on in today and take it for a test drive.
Experience the difference at Rochester Toyota Scion. We're conveniently located between 40th Street and 48th Street, southeast on Highway 63 South in Rochester, Minnesota.